So here we have the air dryer on the paddle shoes. So they did these football boots which have this material here which gets quite wet, and those are nice and dry now, and that worked really well. And here we have them on paddle boots or paddle shoes, and these are the inner soles. Those are a bit moist, so now that's in there. And what I like about this one is that you can bend the arms and you can aim them down. And then another thing you can do, if you own snow gear, you can actually do it on your gloves, so that's quite cool. So you can actually get this put onto your gloves and it can, dry your gloves for you. So I'll just take them out. So you can see they bent now, so they go down the shape of the shoe, but you can also put them in gloves like so. So you can dry your gloves if they get wet, if you're in the rain or snow or anything like that. So that's awesome. And you can feel the air coming through here, and that's nice. I like these options here. You've got the mode button. This is the 03 for 1 hour, which runs, and then the timer works really well. Or you can put it on low, medium, high, and then 10 seconds, and this will now turn it off. So that's very cool. I like that, where it can just auto turn off, or you don't have to sit and watch in case it gets too warm. So I do like that function. And then you've got the timer as well, so you can put this on and it goes all the way up. I think it goes all the way up to 9. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, it's really cool. I like the compact style of it. It's really small. I like the leather handle. Really nice. It's not very loud, as you can hear. If I go closer to it. So yeah, very good. I found another use for this shoe air dryer, and that can dry bags, because we had a bit of a spill in one of our bags. A water bottle started leaking and the bag was really wet and drenched. So what we did was we extended these arms all the way, and we stuck one in the water bottle holder on the side here, as you can see, and one inside where the water leaked into as well. And we put it on for about an hour, I think it was, and then maybe another hour afterwards. And yeah, the bag's nice and dry now, so that's pretty cool. So you can use it to dry tog bags or tote bags or other bags that might get wet, or things that you can't sort of get into. And yeah, it's really cool. So football boots, paddle shoes, snow boots, gloves, bags. I guess you could put it down a sleeve of a jacket if it gets wet, or socks or things like that. But this worked really well. So again, I'm really impressed, and I like the size of it and being portable, and you can actually unclip these and take them out and make these longer and shorter. It's very flexible, and yeah, it's an awesome product. Really cool. So what are my thoughts on this hot air shoe dryer? It is really cool. It is portable, as you can see, the nice leather handle here. The design looks really good. It's easy to use with the touchscreen over here, and these little arms that can extend are awesome. And they can also unclip. You can twist them out if you need to clean them or anything like that, so that's available. It's just very flexible with usage and storage and things like that. And yeah, these arms are awesome. They extend to around 30 centimeters. Here's a pen, so you can see roughly how big the unit is with regards to a pen. So you can see that there's a keyboard, so you can see there. And what's also cool is that this can be bent and shaped, so you can not only dry shoes or boots, because it can go down a nice boot part of the shoe and things like that, and then you can bend it at the end to go down to the toes. And it works really well. It's got a timer on it, so it can run for a couple of hours. It's got the mode buttons with 4 different modes, 3 modes. So you've got low, medium and high, and then if you press it again, it takes 10 seconds and then it'll shut down. You've got the desanitizing option here, which is like an 03, and then there's your timer. So it's very easy to use. You just tap these and you move through the different programs, and it will show you the time there. And it doesn't get very hot when using it, which is quite nice compared to other shoe dryers I've used. And it's really compact, which is what I like. So you can unclip these, pack it away, or take it with you if you're going somewhere and you need them. So if you're hiking or if you're motorbiking and things like that and your boots get wet, you can do that. It dries gloves. You see in the video I was drying a bag as well, because you can, bend these into the bag and shape it and whatever and direct the air. It's it's really good. I really like it, and I just want to say thanks to SOTHING for sending me this. I'm using it. My son plays football, I play paddle. Shoes get wet, from outside in the rain, and this is awesome. So if you guys want to look at getting one, I've put the link in the description. You can have a look there. It's affordable and it works. It's really good. I really like it. So thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in my next review. Cheers.